unboxing the Kaiser Baas X450. So Kaiser Baas are a New Zealand company. They do action cameras, gimbals, drones, other really cool stuff, but their range of action cameras are awesome. This one retails at $200, so let's unbox it. So in the box, we've got the manual, user guide. All the accessories are in this really sleek looking black case, and in this little bit here is the camera itself in the waterproof case. So the waterproof case has got the buttons at the top on the side, and on the bottom it's got the, I've still got the plastic on it, it's got this bit here where you attach all the screws and the different accessories. The case is waterproof up to 40 meters. You know, it's going to cover you for all your water sports. I'm really excited to take it surfing. I've started doing that a lot recently, and I've also got accessories like a surfboard mount accessory, so I'll do another video of those extra ones, but for this video, like, these are the ones that actually come with the camera when you buy it. So they all fit in. Okay, so the camera itself, so obviously the waterproof housing is super easy to come off. You just pull the top off and open it. That's what it looks like on the side. And you pull the camera out. So at the top you've got the power button and the shutter button. So you power it on, takes a couple of seconds, and then it'll just initialize. Yeah. So it's a touch screen, super easy to use. You've got the buttons on the side, obviously that's for when you're using it on your waterproof case and you can't touch screen. On the side you've got the micro USB port and where you attach the USB to charge it, so the micro SD. And on the bottom, let's turn it off. On the bottom is how you get it open for the battery. So you just slide it up, and then battery's inside, nice and snug and safe in there. It's got the micro USB charger. You've got a tripod adapter, so if you want to put your camera on a tripod. These are three-way mounts, so you mount the camera and then you can have it sitting sideways. That's just a normal little mount. This is the skeleton frame, so this is if you want to use it like to attach it to accessories, but you don't necessarily need it to be waterproof. Then you've got the quick releases, so these will attach to, for instance, this is an adhesive mount, so it comes with sticky pads, so you stick those to the bottom. You attach put it in like that, like a seat belt or something, chuck it in, good to go. And then this is a bicycle handlebar mount, so you put your handlebar in there and you attach your camera at the top for your BMX adventures, and then you've got little wrist straps just to keep your camera safe. So it shoots in true 4K at 30 frames per second, and it shoots with Gyro Stabilization, which means the footage is going to be much smoother. It's got a 14 megapixel still camera, so that competes quite well with phone cameras. So like, I think my iPhone is 18 megapixel stills and it's 14 megapixels, so it's really, really up there. The housing, as I said, is waterproof up to 40 meters, and it has time lapse, slow motion, ultra HD, and burst mode. Kaiser Baas also do a really good app, so you can just edit stuff in the app and then also use it to see your footage. That's the Kaiser Baas X450. It's a beautiful little camera and I can't wait to start having adventures with it.